Hi, welcome to Solomon Holistic Solutions YouTube channel. Today, we're introducing the disassembly of Propeller guard version 2.0 for the Anafi USA. And there are a few points in the disassembly which we will touch on today. Let's begin. Remember the Allen key that was provided. First, we remove the little screw that secures the adapter onto the base. We do not need to remove the entire screw from the adapter. The screw just has to come up to where the white dot is, and we should be able to remove it without the screw coming off. We will begin to remove the back right propeller guard and move clockwise all the way to the front right propeller guard. So let's begin. As we remove the thumb screws, we could put a finger onto the propeller guard to keep it in place. And we flip it around, put it into the box. Now we do not leave the thumb screws lying around, we put it back into the adapter. Now for this adapter and the screw, we want to screw it in so that the base of the bottom of the screw is level to the top surface of the adapter, so that it will be able to fit into the box nicely when we close. As we are removing the thumb screw of the back left propeller guard, okay, do that again. Remember, we'll screw it in just a little bit until it is about the same level. Bottom of the thumb screw is about the same level as the adapter. Next, we remove the front left propeller guard. Next, and last but not least, front right comes off. Okay. And we put this back into the box. Next, remove the strap from the USA. Base cut off. Just carefully, you do not need to remove the strap. Just put it in this. Remember the Allen key that comes with it. Put it back into the. So we've completed the disassembly of the propeller guards version 2.0 for the Anafi USA. We hope this video has been helpful, and if you like, do follow and subscribe to our channel. If a friend may benefit from this video, do share with them as well. We look forward to meeting you in the next video. Thank you for watching.